I'm very excited because this is, as you can see in the frame, an Amalgam collection model. It is the 1/18 scale Scuderia Ferrari SF1000 Charles Leclerc Mugello 2020 1000th Grand Prix edition. So I'm very excited about this. I did watch the debut of the SF1000. It was spectacular. Okay, so let's get this going. Okay, something happened. This is awesome. So that's how it comes. This is exciting. Has the Amalgam Collection moniker on the side with the model name on the box. Very cool. So it says Amalgam Collection, Bristol, England, Ferrari SF1000, and it has a serial number for the model. Okay. And then this thing is tucked in here. It's the Amalgam Collection book. It says the finest models must be a catalog. Official license Ferrari product. So this is all of the Ferraris. You may end up spending more money. This is a bargain for what you're getting. Okay, so we're here and we've unfolded it. I got my Ferrari sweater on for this because I'm excited. Okay, so I pop open the button. The model. Here we go. This is way cool. And this lid just slides right off. Just be careful. The antenna. There we go. So if you're ever doubting Amalgam, the value, don't. These are fantastic. Okay, it's out.